The Government of People's Republic of Nagaland's Ministry of Information and Publicity has released a statement accusing Indian intelligence agencies of waging a sophisticated social media propaganda war against the National Socialist Council of Nagaland (NSCN). The ministry alleged that Indian agencies are employing deceptive tactics to incite tribal conflicts and undermine the NSCN's unity. The ministry's statement highlights a troubling trend of provocative articles circulating on social media, ostensibly authored by factious Naga individuals. These articles are reportedly designed to exploit tribal sensitivities and create discord within the NSCN. One such article, titled "Muiva is the problem, not the solution," was followed by the counter article rendering political education to Javistio Angami, both allegedly penned under a fake Tangkhul name. The NSCN points out that these articles maliciously invoke the names of revered Naga leaders A.J. Pizzo and T.H. Muiva to deepen tribal rift between the Angamis and Tangkhuls. The NSCN denounces this strategy as a vile manipulations of Naga history and sentiment. The irony is we could see through the carefully considered social media strategy with the 50th purposes, the most disgusting kind of propaganda that played with the sanctity of the Naga national leaders, the statement reads. It underscores the critical roles of A.J. Pizzo and T.H. Muiva in the Naga political struggle, crediting Pizzo with declaring Naga independence and Muiva with securing significant political recognitions through the 2015 Framework Agreement with the Government of India.